Hello guys, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And in this video today, I'm going to show you how to get paid to watch ads and earn some easy PayPal money quickly, guys, okay? And I'm also going to show you 6 other ways to earn on this one very site. So that's 7 ways to earn, guys. Oh my goodness. Let's get started right now. Alright guys, here we are. We're at successbox.com. This is going to be the site that you could get paid to watch ads and earn PayPal money this way. It's going to be very easy, guys, okay? Alright, Successbox, it's been available since 2012. They came out, and so they've been around for a little while. That's good to know. So get paid doing activities online, view advertisement, earn cash. So you're going to register an account for free. You're going to watch ads or perform tasks and surveys, and then withdraw your earned money. So here are all the ways that you can earn with this site, guys, okay? So limitless earnings. Earn as much as you can perform. You're going to view ads or fill out surveys, participate in contests, redeem offers, listen to radio maybe, refer other people. You're going to do little tasks. So those are different ways that you can earn, okay? So let me show you how to earn on here. So once you're up here, you click earn, and then you're going to click on any of this to start doing some of these tasks to earn money, okay? So you should be logged in before you click on earn so that you can start actually earning, because right now I'm not going to be actually earning anything, okay? I'm just going to show you how these things work. So if I go pay to click, this is earn cash and coins by viewing advertisements. So if you click on this and then click on one of these ads, so this is like a sample ad that you're going to be viewing. So you just click on it and then you're going to let it run. So you're going to view this ad. So this is like a sample ad that you will be viewing, and then you see how that line just finished right there. That's it. I think once you are finished, then that's all you need to view. You don't need to go longer. So if I was logged in, then it would either give me a new ad, or this would finish and I would get the points. I would get the money for that. So I could do that to this next ad. So again,
in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you why this internet millionaire wants to give you his money-making.
So that's how the viewing ads work. You just click on this. You will check out how long you need to view the ad for, and then you're going to get paid. Okay. See, yeah, you got to log in to get paid. So you're just clicking on ads, as they're saying, paid. You're going to get paid just to click on ads. So that's how you earn on that one, okay? And then you get paid to sign up. So there are a few things here that you can sign up for if you get paid these rewards if you sign up with these guys, okay? So all these things just basically goes to more things for you to do. So you can click on this to check out the ad. See, this is another ad that you will be paid for to check out. So that's just basically how this site works. And you could get paid to listen to the radio. I mean, how easy is this, guys? Okay, you will see that you're not going to be earning tons of money here each time you view an ad, obviously, because you're just basically clicking and then looking at an ad. I mean, how much do you think you want to get paid for that? But that's how this site works. And if you go to the FAQs, we'll just go over a few things here. So Successbox is basically a pay-to-click and get paid to program, offering reasonable earning opportunity to affiliates while delivering best results through our quality advertising options. And they've been around since 2012. So payments, how do I get the earned amount from SuccessBox. We offer payments through PayPal, Payza, and many other processors. You can request your earned money as soon as you cross the minimum payout threshold. What is the minimum payout? The minimum payout is only $1, guys, okay? So this is going to be worldwide because they have tons of different options for you guys to pay out with. And so when our requested payout sent, they take about 7 days. So you gotta be careful of that. And you just gotta make sure pay to sign up feature. So this is a different way to earn. So that's on that feature. So they have just more FAQs on how to get those done. For this site, it is going to have multiple ways for you guys to earn, but each of these tasks that you're going to earn from will be very limited to how much you can earn at a time. That's why people sign up for multiple types of these sites. I mean, there's tons of these get paid to sites, and I have a bunch of them on my channel as well. So if you just keep checking out my different channels, you will find even more ways to make money with sites like this. So that's why people sign up with a bunch of these different sites so they can earn from multiple different sites. Okay, but you guys, all these sites is still going to make you very little money at a time. So if you want to make bigger money, check out the first link in my video description where I am using a business model that really makes me earn a full-time online income, guys, okay? Because I have been taught online skills that is required to earn big money online, guys, okay? Doing these kind of sites, get paid to sites, are never going to make you a good, consistent amount of money that you can depend on. You can make money here and there, but it's really nothing that you can really use or really depend on. So if you really want to make a big income like I do and really depend on a 4-digit online income, check out the first link in the video description. You need to learn from a program like that, as I have. I have done that, okay? I have used this business model since 2016, guys, and that's when I started learning about this business model, and I've been earning a full-time income since learning all the online skills that is required to earn big online, guys, okay? So I hope you will check out the first link in this video description if you're interested in making bigger money online, okay, guys? And also it's passively because I don't just earn when I'm working. I can earn any time of the day, whether I'm sleeping, eating, or playing. So it is a great way to earn online, guys. So check it out. First link in the video description. And I hope I can help you in the near future to make that happen for you guys. Alright, guys. So I really hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. It really helps the video out. And I hope you have subscribed to my channel. If you haven't, please subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways to make money online, especially big money online. You need to keep watching, okay, guys? And hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out. And I hope you have a great day, guys. Okay? Bye.